Okay, so I have 5 faces for James, Trackmaster, Tomy, and here I have some old models. This one I already removed the face, so this is very. I want to warn you: do not try this at home. This is very dangerous. I'm gonna use my blade, and this is a Heat Toy company. Now there is something else I want to point out. There's another version of James Mattel, but the face is a little bigger, so it will not fit. It will not look good for that James. Look at the size of the face. It's a little bit bigger. But for these other models, I have the right size according to the original model. There is one face. I want to show you something also. There's one face I did not like it. After I printed out the face for that James, that face right here, I don't like it. But we have here the faces. Maybe I can make it a little bigger, but the faces are the size, the original size we have from the models. That's the measurements I tried to take and recreate. So that's the specific size for that model. Or if I have tried this one already. I haven't smoothed out any parts. These are resin. So if you've seen my videos, this is the face. I don't like it. I think it came out really bad. It's kind of crooked. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or no. Let me know in the comments, because maybe it's not supposed to be like that. The face is the cheeks are kind of crooked or some. Maybe, I don't know. Probably supposed to be like that, since the mouth is kind of twisted. But Mattel does not fit for Mattel, for this kind of material. I haven't tried the ones with attached tender. So what I do is I grab my blade and then just make pressure, cut it, and then shave and smooth out this area. So I already started with this one. Basically, I just put the blade in and wiggle it to, move it side to side. Just be very careful not to hurt yourself. Like I say, this should not be done on without adult supervision. I'm going to use my fingers to show you. Basically, that's what I did. And this is actually very smooth. I don't have to worry about shaving. This is a Heat Toy company. But the Tomy one, I know it's dirty. It's for demo purposes anyways. The Tomy one, it's there is some little guides where the face fits in, So here's the size I was talking about, the reference. See how the face is kind of a little smaller as than the smoke box. Okay, there it is. So after I done this, I'm going to, it's just very simple. So it's just a demo. I'm gonna use super glue. Let me see if I can do this without editing the video or cutting anything. Do I even have glue or no? There's another face I'm gonna show you in a minute. I tried to 3D print for Gordon. I mean, I did before for with other printers, but it's FDM printers they do not have good detail as the resin printer. So this is just a demo, just a quick demo. Okay, when I let it dry. Now the next phase I'm going to, maybe I want to try this. Other faces, I don't know, this happy. Okay, I want to try this other face. Resin 3D printed. So I don't know if you've seen the previous videos. There is a company that they sent me. The company sent me a resin 3D printer, all the equipment. So thank you to Hey Gears for that specific machine. It's a game changer. So we are finally having very nice prints. So here's the other face I wanted to try. Okay, I'm gonna showcase close up a little bit. It's a little different. The face is a little different, but maybe works. So the size. Now maybe I'm not being able to remove the face on Gordon without editing the video, but I'm gonna try. I cannot guarantee. I removed before some of these faces from Gordon. They were very kind of. Oh, actually, this one came out. That's good. It's not even glued. That's not even glued. Same size. Yeah, same size. But I like better this face. Since that face came out easy, that's good. So I don't have to edit the video, make any cuts or anything. I'm gonna try to shave this area where the face is going to sit. Again, do not try this at home. This is dangerous for kids. Remember, this needs to be done under adult supervision and with the proper tools. Do not try the way I'm doing it. This is for demo purposes. Just an illustration. Now, I don't know if someone's interested on the faces. I could make a listing. Again, I'm not going to on eBay. I try avoid eBay. We are forced to raise the prices. I don't like that. Raise the prices on eBay. I hate that. It's not worth it. But I can make a direct link for PayPal. You don't need to have PayPal. Oh yeah, that face definitely. It's a game changer. Oh, looking really good. Yeah, so I'm testing that face for Gordon. Gordon fits good, perfect. For James too. So for James, right, so far I have 5 different faces. Let me see if we can pull up another faces that I already have 3D printed. Okay, right here. I lost the other one. Right here. So I have the face. Okay, come on. I need to move my way out of the way. Just for demo purposes. Oh, I dropped that one too. But like I said, I don't like this face. I don't like this face. But like I said, maybe that's the way it should be. I don't know. But I have the 5 faces. Here is the other face for James. Okay, there it is. Let me know your opinion, your thoughts, if we should make this available. The 5 faces, and maybe I won't be able to redesign this, but I did a little sanding by the supports area right here and the back. Still need to sand. It feels smooth, but we need to do some. If you need to paint it, I mean, these are really nice, smooth finish compared to the other ones I used to 3D print before. Let me see if I can find it. I mean, I did not have the resin printer before, but the company contacted me and they sent me this resin printer. Now, the way I fix this problem is to make smooth. I apply 1 coat of primer. This is FDM. It's not resin printer. It's FDM. And then I apply like 3 coats of acrylic paint. Dolphin gray. Remember, dolphin gray. But this probably you don't have to apply so many coats. Might need a little bit of sanding, but they are really cool. Okay, let me know. Maybe if I made a listing, yeah, probably check the link in the description. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna make for James for now. See how it goes.